Hello children, welcome back to my channel Science Edu-point. Today's topic is the respiratory system in humans. Humans have a well-developed respiratory system that is responsible for breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. The lungs are the main respiratory organs where exchange of gases takes place. So first of all, what is respiratory tract? So respiratory tract is the path through which the air travels and to the lungs and back to the atmosphere. This is called as respiratory tract. Respiratory tract comprises the nose, the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and lungs. Bronchi, which branches further into bronchioles. Look, these are the bronchioles. Alveolar sacs, and these are the alveoli. Through the nose, the nostrils, air enters the body through the nostrils. The nasal cavity is lined with hair. The nasal cavity is lined with hair, which traps the fine dust particles present in the inhaled air and prevents them from reaching the lungs. The inside of the nose is also covered by a sticky fluid called as mucus. In the mucus, the dust particles and germs stick and are prevented from entering the lungs. So here are the pharynx, larynx, trachea. These are the lungs, and the trachea is dividing into two branches. They are called as bronchi. Singularly, it is called as bronchus, and the bronchi is dividing further into bronchioles. So let us discuss about the pharynx. So from the nose, the inhaled air enters the pharynx. The pharynx is a region behind the nose and mouth, leading down to the throat. The lower portion of the pharynx leads into larynx. This is also called as voice box. It has folds of tissues called vocal cords that vibrates with the passage of the air and produces sound. The larynx leads to the windpipe or the trachea. The trachea divides into branches called as bronchi. So the two bronchi are the branching tubes of the trachea leads into the lungs, where it is branched repeatedly into smaller branches called bronchioles. There is a pair of lungs. So one left lung and one right lung. So the left lung is two-lobed, while the right lung is 1, 2, 3. So three-lobed. The right lung is three-lobed. Each lung is a spongy bag-like structure covered by a pleural membrane. So in between the two pleural membranes, there is a fluid called pleural fluid. it keeps the surface of the lungs moist for very easy diffusion of gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. So the lungs are protected by the rib cage. Below the lungs, there is a muscular sheet called the diaphragm. So this diaphragm plays an important role in the breathing. So next comes to the alveoli. So alveoli, at the end of the bronchioles, there are microscopic air sacs. So these are called as alveoli. So these sacs are the group of alveoli. So singularly it is known as alveolus. So plurally we can call it as alveoli. So the thin walls of the alveoli are richly supplied with the blood capillaries. So there are millions of alveoli in each lung. So this is about the explanation of the respiratory system in humans. So if you like the video, just like and subscribe the video. And please comment me if you want more and more videos, and tell me the topics, whatever you want. Thanks for watching.